Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Samuel Adeleke, a creative designer with over 7 years of experience and also a Canva expert with over 5 years of experience. Today I'm excited to take you on a journey through Canva, a powerful design that is perfect for beginners and also professionals. And in this video, I will introduce you to the Canva interface. We are going to explore its features and I'm going to show you how to create strong visuals with ease. Whether you are a small business owner, you are a content creator, or you are a marketer, I'm going to give you this confidence as we journey in this walkthrough to start designing like a pro. Join me and subscribe to my channel as we go. Once again, you are welcome, and then we'll be diving into the business of the day. Canva is a web-based and also an app, and it has its own app. If you check the Google Play Store or App Store, you can get the software. Also, if you don't want to download the software, maybe you don't have enough storage on your software on your device, you can make use um, of the web base. Yes, and one of the advantage that Canva has, let me start with that, is that it has a collaborative advantage in such a way that a whole lot of people can be working on a particular project. That's awesome, right? Yeah, that's one of the advantages of making use of Canva. That means an organization that wants to have a collaborative team as regard Canva, as regard their graphic design space, can make use of Canva. Yes, you can make use of Canva. A group of people can be working on a particular project. That's how important, that's how great Canva is. Also, Canva has a whole lot of advantage in such a way that beside graphic design work, making flyers, making posters, you can make your presentation on Canva. You can generate videos on Canva. You can generate a whole lot of things on Canva. So just join me as we dive into Canva. So if you open your Canva on your software on your device, go to canva.com, or you downloaded your app and you open it. This is what you will see. What will you design today? So let's go as I take you through the journey of Canva. So we have this, right? So this is the layout. This is the layout. So there are many things you can do on Canva. This is the Instagram post software, Instagram post in Square. The Instagram post, we have it's in portrait. Yes, the Facebook post. Also, I said earlier that if you want to make a presentation, you can make use of it. This is a presentation, social media flyers, and all other things you can do on Canva. All right. So if you come here, this is the home page. This is the home. To take you through the home, maybe you want to create a flyer. Let's go. If you come to create here, we want to create it now, we can see we have various of things to explore. And Canva, another thing about Canva is that Canva has various templates. Yes, they have various templates on their on their on their on their web on their app, or on the, maybe you use or you open the web page, they have various templates whereby you can go and just edit templates and you are good to go. But being a creative designer with over 7 years of experience, I could tell you that I personally, I don't, I advise that, because it's not a professional things to do. We know the ethic that's back up every skills or every profession. Just like being a graphic designer being a graphic designer also entails that you don't edit or you don't plagiarize other people's work. You want to make your work a professional one. You want to make your work a good one. You have to avoid plagiarism. Yes, I tell you, you have to avoid plagiarism. Avoid plagiarism, I tell you again. So this is the what we want to create. If you want to create anything, maybe you want to make a presentation, you can see these are the templates you can make use of. I don't advise that, really. Yeah. All right. Maybe you want to edit your photo, videos. You want to make videos. You want to, website, and you want to generate and designs for website layout and all right, before we go that, so let me just take us through some things that we need to know on Canva. Yeah, after I've said earlier, this is the home page. Just look at my icon here. These are the saved projects. Maybe you created some project on Canva and you want to go back to it, you can definitely go back to that. All right, also you can have template. You want to edit template on Canva. Maybe you are a newbie, you are just coming up and you need to get some designs. You can come to template here, search for the template you want to do, and you are good to go. Let me just show us. Maybe you are working on a you are you are you are you are just starting a business and you want something on branding. So let's search branding. So you want to get ideas on what you want to do or what you want to do. You can also see, I've searched for branding now, and we can see branding tips. These are various flyers that they've done and uploaded on Canva for us to behold. So you can go there and see for yourself, generate ideas, gather ideas together, and you are good to go. Also, brand, yes, brand kit. You can create your brand kit and brand template on Canva. Yeah, yeah, you can see. Maybe you want to create your brand kit. And you want to create your color palette, um, fonts, and every other thing you want to do as regard brand kit and brand template. You can do them making use of Canva. Also, Canva also has its own um, generated AI whereby you can, gather ideas together, just like I said earlier. We are trying to graphic design is just is a field of, you are trying to communicate your ideas. You are trying to give your audience information. You are trying to generate ideas and communicate information to your audience. It's very important that you make your proper research as one of the process of graphic design. All right. So also on Canva, there are many apps that are incorporated on Canva. There are other apps. Maybe you want to generate QR code. You also just I will advise that you subscribe to my channel and um, you subscribe to my channel and you keep yourself up to date on that channel, so that you will be getting updates as it goes, because I will be dropping all other videos that will really help you in making beautiful flyers just like I've done so far. All right, so also, yeah, we have various apps that you can do. Maybe you want to generate a QR code. You want to you want to remove you want to there's a video that I make on if you want to remove a text on an image. Yes, you can check that on my channel. All right, so let's just make something and let me show you. Maybe you want to create a simple flyer, a social media flyer. Now I'm coming to social media flyer, and I want to make an Instagram post. There are two various type of Instagram posts. If you check here, the Instagram story is there, the Instagram post, which is 1080 by 1350 pixel, while the Instagram story is 1080 by 1920 pixel. So I'm going to click the Instagram post, which is 1080 by 1350 pixel. All right, let's go. So this is what we have. I love something like this. Yes, I love something like this. If you are trying to, that's why I don't like um, editing template on Canva. Yes, I don't like editing template on Canva. Because I love working on a white space. Yes, so that every of the ideas I generate them. But let's see, at the right hand side here, we have various things. Canva, what Canva does is that when you want to start your design, Canva make suggestions on what you want to do. They make suggestions just like, okay, we don't know if you want to try something like this out. you know that's the whole lot. Maybe you can scroll down and see they are beautiful flyers, they are professional flyers, yes, but not all actually, but they are professional flyers there you can make use of. So here you can select one of the template and just edit, but just like I told you, I don't do that for my work, for my design. So this is a white space. Now another thing that Canva has is that this designer, just I want to start now, this is like a folder, so you can have many flyers on a particular folder. You can have many designs on a particular folder. You can have as much as hundreds of designs on a particular folder, just one folder. Yeah, that's very good. All right, just look at the right hand side here. We see elements. Yeah, that's elements. Under, if you come to under element, under element, there are various type of things you can do. Maybe you want to generate some images, some videos, and every other thing you want to make use of in your flyer. You can you can generate those things in your element. If you see search element, this is where you come through and you type what you want to get. All right, let me see what we can do very shortly. Maybe, all right, let's look at crown. I want to generate crown here. Now if you click on crown, it brings crown. So you see all is that you have various things. It's just like a subheading. When you come to graphics, every element you see in graphics, aside background, they are in PNG file. I know you know the difference between PNG and JPEG. Yes. So they are in PNG file, that is, they don't have background. But if you come to photos here, every element you see here, they are in JPEG. Yes, they have background. They have background. Another thing is that graphics, if you see any elements you see in graphics, they are just like an icon. And they are not realistic. Those images are not realistic. They are just like an icon. But if you come to photos, those images, they are realistic. Yes, they are realistic. They are the real. They look like real images, just like we are seeing here. Also, another thing is that you can see frame. If you come to frame, that means if you see anything frame, that means you can import an image into that element. You can import an image. You can see anything like this, you can import an image into it. Videos also, you can generate videos on Canva. You can see this is a video of crown. There are many videos of crown that we can see here. Maybe you want to make a videos and you need elements, you can just come here and generate them. Also audios, you can come to audios, anything related to what you want to search for, just come to the element, search for it, and go to where you wanted to use them. Also shapes. However, not everything you might need to search as those things. You can see shape, but there is nothing related to shapes for crown, just for only crown. But you can search for all other things and you can get that shape. Yeah, mockups also. Maybe you want to make a mockup, however, it's not available here, but we can see it in frames. All right. Also charts. Chart. Maybe you want to make use of charts. You can also do that. Yeah. So any element you want to, maybe you want anything, you can come here and search for it. So just like I said, graphics, I've talked about graphics. You can also get stickers, yes, on Canva. That's a whole lot. You can see that various type of stickers that Canva has generated for us. Also photos, just like I said earlier, photos and in JPEG file, and they are realistic. Yes. Frame, if you see anything frame, that means you can import your image into them. Yes. Also chat, maybe you want to make use of chat, you want to generate chat maybe for your brand and all other things, you can make use of chat for your design. All right. So also polls and quizzes, maybe you want to make use of that, you can do that. Mockup also, just like I said, there are various types of mockups here. Maybe you want to do a mockup of smartphones, a mockup of print, a mockup of apparel, and every other things. So we will still talk, we will take it one after the other so that we can get it very well. All right. Maybe you want to make it tables, you can come to tables and import your element there, and also collections also can make use of it. Yes. All right. Another thing is text. Now text, if you come to text here, maybe you want to make your design, this is a plain background and we want to import our text. You just come to add text box. Yes, this add text box, and you type something there. You will type something there. Let me just do something for us. You are welcome. So this is what we have. I have highlighted it. Now you come to font here, you come to this place, this font, And when you come to font, you can see various categories of font. You know, typography, if you have studied typography, we have different kinds of fonts, the serif fonts and the sans serif fonts. However, Canva doesn't categorize them, though we also have various categories. We have serif and sans serif here, but Canva doesn't categorize them here. But using your own description, you can go for what you want to go for, or maybe you have a font in mind that you do use. I do use Montserrat, so I can search for that font and I'll be able to get it. This Montserrat, and I can go for it once. Now that's changed to Montserrat, but I want to increase the size of this text so that we can see it very well. All right, I can come here and increase it, or come here and just type the number. If you know the number of size you want to use, you can come here and type it there. So, all right, let me just do something. Also, another thing, you can come here. If you come here, you can see text color. You can change the text if you wish, right? And also bold, be bold, or you can use the control B on your maybe on your software, or if you are making use of your PC, you can use control B, or any other thing, any other device you are making use of to upload it. Also, you can light it or not. Alignment also, this is alignment. We have various types of alignment: the middle alignment, the left alignment, and the right alignment. Anyone you want to make use of, this is but I'm using middle alignment for this design. Also, maybe you want to list it, you can list them, but I'm not using it here. Also, spacing, there's difference between chaining. We have chaining and learning. We have the letter spacing and the line spacing. The letter spacing is called chaining. Is the space between, if you come here and you are seeing U, the space between Y and O there is chaining, is letter spacing. Why the space between you are and welcome, that space is line spacing. Yes, line spacing. So you can come here and reduce the space or increase those space. Yes, that's what that is for. Transparency also is, maybe you want to reduce the opacity of that element, or you want to increase the opacity, but I'm not using that. There are also effects. If you want to add effects to your text on Canva, you can see these are the various effects you can make use of. And also, maybe you want to animate your design, you can make use of that. So you also have upload. If you want to upload some elements in your design, this is where you come to click upload files, and it will take you to your file manager. You go there and click that element and it will bring it. Yes. Also, tools, you can make use of tools. Maybe you want to draw, you want to make use of text box and every other thing. Project, just like I said earlier. Apps, just like I said earlier. just just subscribe to my channel, and I promise you I will give you an up to date what you need to get as regard and Canva. All right, so just like we've said, this, you are welcome. All right, we can have an image symbolizing you are welcome. So let's have it. Let's search for it here. You are welcome. So I'm coming to graphics. If I'm coming to graphics, don't forget I told you that anything you are making use of in graphics, they are in PNG. So if I'm making use of this icon, you can see you are welcome. It's in PNG. But if you come to photos here, anything you are making use of, they are realistic. They are realistic. You can see it has background already. So maybe you want to make just a simple flyer, you can come here and make use of those elements. Yes, but I'm just showing us so that we can see. As time goes on, we'll dive into all other things that we need to do. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I tell you there are many things we need to unfold together as Canva is concerned and as graphic design is concerned. See you in the next video.